Eating for optimal health. Sweet potato is a highly nutritious and versatile food that can offer numerous health benefits. It is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which provide slow and steady energy, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. In addition, sweet potato is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and iron. These nutrients help strengthen the immune system, reduce inflammation in the body, and improve eye, skin, and hair health. Another interesting benefit of sweet potato is its ability to help regulate digestion. Due to its high fiber content, it helps maintain a healthy intestinal tract and promotes regular waste elimination. This can help prevent problems such as constipation and bloating. Sweet potato is also a great option for those looking to control or lose weight. It is low in fat and calories, but still offers a feeling of satiety due to its high fiber content. This means it can be consumed in large quantities without the fear of gaining weight. Finally, sweet potato is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from savory to sweet. It can be cooked, baked, fried, or even mashed. Try using sweet potato as a substitute for rice or pasta in your meals to add more nutrients and flavor. If you want to know even more, get the full ebook with the link in the description. See you in the next video.